Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to create a professional, customizable timetable using Notion for 2025? By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a sleek, organized schedule using Notion's free timetable template, saving you hours and helping you stay effortlessly on track. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through every step to make sure you not only set it up, but really understand how it all works. First things first, we're going to take advantage of a free template within Notion. This is the fastest way to get a timetable that looks professional and is easy to tailor to your needs. Templates in Notion are a bit like shortcuts. They're already designed with structure and style, so you don't have to start from a blank page. This means your timetable will be neat and reliable right out of the gate, and you'll have total freedom to tweak it later. So to begin, look up at the top left corner of your Notion dashboard. You'll notice a small drop-down menu labeled More Options. Click on that, and after a second, a menu will pop out giving you a few new choices. Now we want to focus on the Browse Templates button, which you'll find in this menu. This step is important. Templates in Notion are like ready-made frameworks that you can seamlessly plug in and build upon. By starting here, you're letting Notion do a lot of the heavy lifting on layout and formatting. Once you're in the template browser, you'll see a variety of options, ranging from budget planners to reading lists. Type Timetable into the search bar and Notion will instantly show you a selection of timetable templates. Take a moment to scroll through. You'll notice each template has a slightly different style or approach. Some may have a classic grid, others might offer a more flexible layout. Choose one that appeals to you or fits the way you think about your schedule. For example, maybe you prefer seeing your week all at once, or you like focusing on daily tasks. There's no right or wrong choice, it's all about what works best for you. Once you found your favorite, go ahead and select it. On the Template Details page, simply click the Add button. This action will copy the template directly into your workspace, so it's ready to be personalized. Sometimes Notion needs a few moments to add the template in. If it seems slow, don't worry, it's just organizing all those visual elements for you. Now comes the fun part, customizing your timetable. This is where you add the details that make it truly yours. Click into the template you just added and start editing credentials, like changing the title to 2025 Timetable for your name, or updating the days of the week and time slots to match your actual schedule. Notion templates are drag-and-drop friendly, so you can freely move blocks around, add your subjects or tasks, and even insert creative elements like icons or colors to visually differentiate sections. For instance, you might color code your classes versus your work shifts, or use emoji icons to designate different activities. These small touches not only help you navigate your timetable faster, but they also make the page feel more personal and rewarding to use. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Notion is fully customizable, and you can always undo changes if something doesn't look right. As you update your timetable with your personal information, think about how you'll be using it throughout the year. Maybe add links to important documents, notes for deadlines, or even motivational quotes right in your timetable to keep you inspired. And that's it, your timetable is ready to go. Setting this up not only keeps you organized, but having it in Notion means you can access it from your phone or computer anytime, anywhere. If you run into any hiccups customizing the template, take a breath and remember that Notion's undo feature is super reliable. You can always backtrack and try again. Thanks for following along. If this tutorial helped you, let me know by hitting the like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Notion templates or want more tips for organizing your schedule. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical hands-on videos like this. Happy planning!